What's up guys, this is the Trink and we are back with yet again another Victorinox review, and we have today what I think is the best small Victorinox multi-tool available, and that is the Victorinox Midnite Manager. So give you a quick look at it before we take a look at the functions. So it is the size of any small Victorinox, similar to the Victorinox Classic, but it has really unique added tools that are really cool on this and makes it, I think, the best small one you can get. So starting off on the top, we have, of course, we have a small blade, and if you see on the blade there, it does say, get it to focus back, Victorinox stainless, made in Switzerland. It says that on the base of the blade. Pretty sharp little blade, cuts well, so it's obviously nothing huge. Then moving on to there, we jump into what I already think is a pretty cool feature, and that is the magnetized Phillips screwdriver. So we have that here, and like I said, it is a magnetized one, so it will pick up small screws after you finally get them, and it'll stick to the top there. I don't have one with me, but it does. And then it has a small bottle opener. And on the back side we have nail file, flathead screwdriver. It's okay, I wouldn't use it that much. And then another really nice feature is the small Victorinox scissors. And they are nice and sharp. If we take some paracord here, well, of course, didn't even cut all the way through it, but generally it cuts through it. Let's try it one more time, a little deeper. There you go. So, does a fine job at cutting. They're nice and sharp. They work well for their size. So those are pretty standard features you can find on a lot. So what makes this so unique and cool from the others? Well, on the side here, if we look, if you push this up, it's a pen. And so you can write with it like this, but what makes this also really cool is if you just go right here and open up this, you've now just extended the length of it so that it can actually work a lot more like a normal pen would as far as the height. And so that works really well. So it's like a fully usable pen. And again, you push that in and retract it. And then lastly, it's called the Midnite Manager because it has a little LED, and you just push down the Victorinox shield in order to turn that on. And so that is it for the Midnite Manager. I keep one on my keychain and I use it all the time. I think it's super nice, and it will run you anywhere from 20 to 30 bucks. So it's a very, very affordable little blade. And yeah, it's one of my favorites. So that's it. Check out our other videos for other Victorinox reviews, and we'll see you on the next video.